This is how a Rubik's Cube is made. This is how much money they made in 1 year. Today we'll be reacting to the world's best cubing factory. Something really smart I realized is that they use snake cube to keep out the screws from the other Rubik's Cubes. Why hasn't machines already taken over this? Like, we have dancing robots, but we can't find someone to screw a cube. This could also be done by machine. This Superman now assembles the rest of the cube. This is probably one of the most boring jobs on earth. Just imagine coming to work 9 o'clock in the morning and having to put these together every day. I would quit. It's better than every cuber out there doing the stickering. Well, no one likes factory loot anyways, but I guess it's cool that they added it. Every time I see a screwdriver, I will have to put 1 drop of GAN lube into my Rubik's Cube. This is GAN's factory and it's one of the best Rubik's Cubes in the market. So let's see how they make cubes. This reminds me of a supermarket. Imagine someone just took the scale and they couldn't afford one to weigh the cells. So they got this cube scale and just stood on it. Usually they're like 72, 75. They're all just there, and that's like the mother box and everything's just being charged there. Imagine how many iPhones that could charge. Finally, some machines. I think with this attitude, I want machines to take over. Obviously, I don't want that. We've all seen Terminator. That seems so much more efficient than humans doing it. That's so colorful, I'm sure, but I'm colorblind, so I can't really tell. This reminds me of when Cubehead went in the cubicle store. I don't know how many screwdrivers were. This is how many there were.